Cliplabs.io offers a bootcamp program designed to teach users skills in video editing, content creation, and digital marketing, targeting aspiring creators and freelancers. While the promise of mastering in-demand skills is appealing, questions remain about whether Cliplabs is legit or a scam. Some participants have praised the program for its structured curriculum, hands-on projects, and supportive community, claiming it helped them kickstart their careers in creative fields. However, there are concerns to consider. Many users report that the program is overpriced for what it delivers, with some feeling the content lacks depth or could be found for free online. Others mention poor communication from instructors, delayed feedback on assignments, or difficulty accessing promised resources. Additionally, the lack of verifiable testimonials or a strong reputation raises doubts about its credibility. In a nutshell, while Cliplabs may appeal to beginners, the high cost and inconsistent quality make it hard to recommend confidently. Explore free tutorials or established platforms before committing. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.